Hello student, this video is for class 9 Beehive book subject English. Poem name is On Killing a Tree, written by Giv Patel. Through this poem the poet tells us how to kill a tree. In this poem he has told the process how to kill a tree, but he is taunting the people who are cutting the trees, because the poet said that to cut a tree doesn't mean to kill the tree. And through this poem the poet tells the process how tree takes years to grow from the earth and how they are important for the human being. So let's discuss what the poet is saying through this poem. The poet said, you must have observed people cutting down the trees, but can they kill a tree? Means we had seen many people who are cutting the trees, but whether actually they are killing a tree. Is it easy to kill a tree? Let's read the poem. It takes much time to kill a tree. Not a simple jab of knife will do it. Poet said that it is a very long process to kill a tree, because a simple jab meaning is strike or hit of a knife will not kill a tree. It has grown slowly, because the tree has grown slowly, consuming the earth. Consuming meaning is taking food or eating the earth, rising out of it, and it has grown from the earth, feeding upon its crust by taking the food from the upper layer of the earth, absorbing years of sunlight. Even it has taken a lot of sunlight from a long period of time. It has taken air, water, each thing it has taken from a long period of time, and out of its leprous height sprouting leaves. And then after taking food from the earth, or after taking the sunlight, air and water from the nature, the leaves had grown from the leprous hide. Leprous hide meaning is discolored barks. So hack and chop, but this alone won't do it. So the poet said that even cut it into the pieces, even if the human would cut it into the pieces, but this will not kill the tree properly. Not so much pain will do it, even a lot of pain, even the human would give it a lot of pain, but it will not kill the tree. The bleeding bark will heal, because after cutting the bark would heal. Heal meaning is recovered, and from close to the ground and from near to the ground will rise curled green twigs, and again from the ground the new branches would rise, the new branches would grow. Miniature boughs, miniature meaning is small, boughs meaning is branches, and these small branches, if these branches would be unchecked, means someone will not take care of these branches, then they will again expand to former size, then they will again grow and become a tree. No, the root is to be pulled out. So the poet said that to kill a tree properly, the roots of the trees should be taken out. Pulled out meaning is taken out of the anchoring earth. Anchoring meaning is the soil which is giving protection to the tree. We have to take out the roots from that soil. It is to be roped. Tree is to be tied with the rope, tied and pulled out, and then it should be pulled out forcefully from the earth, or pulled out entirely. And one should have to pull the tree entirely meaning is completely from the earth, out from the earth cave, from the hold of the earth. One should have to take out or pull out the tree completely, so that the roots of the tree could come out and it would be killed. And when one would pull the tree completely, the strength of the tree exposed, and then the strength of the tree will come out. And what is the strength of the tree? That is a source, white and wet. It is a source, that means it is the roots of the trees which are white and wet, the most sensitive, and it is the most sensitive part, hidden for years inside the earth, which is hidden from a long period of time inside the earth. Then the matter of scorching and choking, and after taking out the roots completely from the earth, let it be free for scorching meaning is to burn, and choking meaning is dry in sun and air, means let it be free for burning and drying in the sun and air, browning, and after getting burnt or dry it would be started getting brown, hardening, and it would start getting hard, twisting, started curling, and withering meaning is drying, and then it is done, and then at last the tree is killed, and a human can kill a tree by this process.